Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I'm talking to you about ShrinkMe.io. Now this is a link shortening service that allows you to take any link, it will shorten it for you, and then it will allow you to make money by people clicking on adverts that are presented to your audience before they go to the page that you're referring them to. Now the idea of these things is that usually you would share these links on things like social media and you would be able to earn money if people click on it. Now the money is very, very low. I will go through the payout rates of this particular product, but the idea is that you're going to make a few pennies here and there if people click on the links. I'm going to give you some real negatives of these types of softwares and these types of services if you're really serious about building your own business and your own brand online, that you need to be very, very aware of before you go ahead and start using this type of thing just to make a few pennies. So we're going to go through the actual members area. I'll show you exactly what these types of links are going to do for you, and I'm going to demonstrate first what you get when you share one of these types of links. So guys, if you haven't been over to the channel before, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. The idea of the channel is that you can get a little bit more information about products and services before you go ahead and decide to purchase them, and also I give you lots of advice on how you can actually start and make a real business online using affiliate marketing, which is the way that I make money every single day. Now guys, if you're interested in that type of training, go ahead and click the link in the description below. I got some great free training that you can start off with there, and you can get a business started online today. So guys, I'm going to go through this first. So ShrinkMe.io, I need a link first. So the idea is I go over and I'm going to go and get a link, and I'm going to use somewhere called ClickBank. This is just a marketplace where people promote lots of digital products. So I can go ahead and click this. I'll just copy that hop link, and this is the one that I'm going to use to demonstrate. So the idea is I would come back and basically I can paste my URL in here. And what you'll find with a lot of these services, a lot of these affiliate kind of networks, is the links they give you are quite ugly. So one kind of benefit of this is that it will give you a nicer looking link. Although I use something called Pretty Links that is a lot nicer than this, and it actually works with your own domain to make links work, look a lot nicer. But this is the way this works. So ShrinkMe.io is give it a little subdomain for the link, and that's the one that you would share. Now this actual original product looks like this. So if I just go ahead and I'm going to use this in my browser, I'm going to show you what the original product page looks like. So you are going to refer your friends or whoever over to this Java Burn product, which is some kind of diet product, right? And the idea is that you will make a commission. Now this is actually making a commission around about $114 per conversion. So that's the potential that you could earn if people want to go and purchase this. So if I go ahead and use ShrinkMe to use that, to actually shrink that link down, and then I go ahead and copy that and I show you what this actually does. If I paste this into my browser, ShrinkMe actually gives me this. The first thing it does is try to give me a box up here for notifications. Then the bottom right hand side, it's giving me this kind of advert, and then it's giving me this kind of chatbot thing, and then it's giving me this value your privacy. Now this is the usual cookie thing, right? If I go ahead and agree this, which we all usually do on sites, is asking me to download a file. Well, that's a little bit naughty, right? So it's asking me to download a file. The other thing is I'll click back to it. It's giving me this Windows Defender off advert. If I click on that now, it comes back to the same page, and click on more options. Again, it's asking me to download that file. This notifications up here, obviously don't want to do that. If I click on this advert on the right hand side here, sends me over to this page here. None of this has actually got me over to the original page, which was this Java Burn, which is what you want to actually go ahead and promote. So it doesn't matter if you're actually promoting something or you're just sending people a link to your website. This is the type of thing they're going to be actually going to have before they can actually go and click. And by the way guys, I haven't actually worked out how I actually get over to that website yet, right? So horrendous. And you know, if you look under here, there's a load of kind of pretty naughty adverts as well. So obviously there's a lot of people advertising on here from kind of XXX type websites. Not great for your audience in a lot of cases. So this is really going to give you a lot of spam, guys. And the idea is if you have a business that you really want to build online and you want to brand yourself and get a bit of credibility, you really want to avoid these types of services, because you don't know what they're going to show to your audience before you go ahead and give them, get them over to the destination that you wanted them to get to. So I don't know why anybody on YouTube would give this a positive type review. I don't care if you can make money using this. You're going to lose more money than you're ever going to make using something like Shrink.io. When you get in the members area, there is a few more things this this will do, you can actually go ahead and promote this to others. So you can refer this service to other people and get 10% of whatever they make. Not a great thing if you want to go ahead and have any kind of a business again. And you can also go ahead and use things like full page scripts, where you can set this up on your actual website and it will automatically change a lot of the words on your website to these types of links. So if people click on them, again, you can make some money. The money is so small, guys. If I go ahead and look at the payouts on here, the payouts were pretty minimal. I look at $7 for the United States and United Kingdom per 1,000 views now, so you'd have to get 1,000 views over to your page. That's less than a cent every time somebody goes ahead and views your particular page. So very low, and to be quite honest, you're going to lose a lot more money than you're ever going to gain by using a service like this. I did notice they are advertising another service called ShrinkMe. Looks like a bit more of a space age type modern feel, but this is going to be exactly the same. I'll do a review on this site as well, but this is going to end up being exactly the same, guys. Link shorteners, you have lots of link shorteners like Bitly, like pretty links that I actually recommend to you. These are the better type of link shorteners to use that aren't going to present people with spammy, horrible adverts before they get to the page or the service that you're trying to show people. Hope that is useful to you guys. I thought I'd give you a very honest view of these types of services. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're really serious and you want to learn how to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.